Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. I'm Amanda, and today we will be creating these cute money birthday gift cards. Well, I'm sorry, I said birthday. This is graduation. I made a birthday one right here. But you can do graduation or birthday cards. You can customize these how you want, however you would like, however a customer would request. You can pretty much do anything: Christmas, birthday, graduation, any holiday possible. So yeah, it was not hard at all, especially like once you get the measurements on the picture size and how you want it to fit on these boards, I guess sublimation boards you would call them. So they have the wooden backside, kind of thick, if you could see that. So yeah, you guys, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right. Okay everyone, so right here I put this design together myself, and it was not hard at all. If you all been following and watching our previous videos, then you all know that 9 times out of 10 I go to Google Images to find out just about anything that I need, whether it's just a simple background, or like on this one I needed the cap. Let me make this photo bigger so you all can see. For this one I'm gonna ungroup so I can show you all. So I looked up for this little gold thing. I just typed in like a price sticker, and then you just scroll through, find one that you like, one that you're able to download and will appear clear when you get ready to drag it over. The $100 I just typed in with, I believe it was the college book that I used for the, let's see, oh, college block. I'm sorry, it was called college block. I used for the $100. And then for the cap, I again went on Google, typed in graduation cap, picked one that I thought best fit. And then for this gold background, I believe I typed in either gold glitter or gold sparkle for the background. And then the same for everything else: graduation scroll. And these little spiral things, I believe they were called, these little spiral things, I believe they were called fall spiral, like fall spiral SVG, if you were just curious about those. And then I just typed in these using the fonts that I had. I just played around with it and pieced it all together. Okay, so with that being said, we have to take measurements of how tall and how wide we want this for these money cards. I'm gonna just delete this, and I have one right here. So over here on the left hand side, I'm gonna go to my shape icon, click on this shape, and in the description on Amazon it gives you the height and the width of the money cards in centimeters. And I have a ruler that tells me on one side it's centimeters and the other side is inches. So it's pretty much 15 by 10 centimeters. So that is like 6 by 4 centimeters. And that's what we're going to make this background right here. So I got one right here, and this one was too small. So this one is, we said by 4, so we'll go a little over. So like maybe 4.17, just so we have some room for our image. And then what did I say our height was? 6, so we'll just go 6.2. okay, and now we want our design to fit in this, to make sure that it fits. And it looks like it's okay. I'm gonna shorten it some, but it looks like it should be okay. So for this one is okay. And then I also have this Sonic, because you can use these money cards for birthdays and whatnot. So I have a Sonic image here that I also played around with yesterday. I'm gonna flip it back over and fix it, straighten it out. Okay, so it looks like I can go a little longer with the Sonic image. So we'll go about there, and just a little bit wider, so we have enough room to cover the whole money card. And I'm going to fix, this just says Omarion 6th birthday. You can put happy birthday, happy 6th birthday Omarion. I'm probably gonna put happy birthday on here, and I think I got it over here. I just worded it wrong over here, you guys. I put happy Omarion 6th birthday. I was just messing around with it, trying to get something together real quick. So I'll just take the happy off of there and put, let's see. Oh, I have to ungroup this. So we'll do happy 6th birthday Omarion. All right, just like that. I want the faces of Sonic characters to be seen. So maybe we could put Omarion down here, right here. And then right here will be our money space. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll put this together. Group it. And the same thing with the congrats grad. Okay, so we'll go ahead and I'm going to, because I'm going to put these on an 8.5 by 11 sheet, so I want to flip them first. Let's flip horizontally for both. Oh, and for my Sonic image, you all, I had this image a while back when I did sublimation puzzles. In case you're curious, you can find these. Also, you can go on Google and look up free PNG for Sonic, any character you're looking for. All right, so now I am going to just turn these to the side because I want both of them to fit on this 8.5 by 11 sheet. And if you have any questions about any of the steps that I'm explaining to y'all, feel free to just leave comments and I will answer them. Just leave your questions in the comment section and I will most definitely get to your questions and answer them as best as possible. So now that I have these the way that I want them, I am gonna go ahead and hit print. Again, I'm using my Epson Work 477 sublimation printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this print out and then I will be back and I'll show y'all how they look. Okay, you all, so my images, I'm putting these to the side real quick. They are dry, but just this part, keep in mind that there is a film over these. Please don't miss this part. In previous projects, I have forgotten about the film being like over the keychains and other stuff that I have sublimated on. So there is a clear film over this. It's just getting it off. Okay, so just be very careful. Just pull it off as you go, slow. Okay, just like that. All right, film and your sublimation board. All right, so let's get this second one going, and then all I'm going to do is place my image right over the sublimation backing and tape it down with my heat resistant tape, and then I'll come back and show you, because I'm just going to kind of, if you put it in the light, you kind of can see where you want it lined up at. And this one is the graduation one, so the hat is going to be right up under the hole right there. That's how I'm going to do this one. And then for my Sonic, it's going to be the all over, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape these down and then I'll be back and show you what they look like when I'm done. Okay, so this is just how I taped the image down on both of them. I didn't really, I mean, I used, yeah, about, this one I only got 3. I didn't even tape the top down because again, there's nothing up there. But that's okay. So I'm just going to now place it on the heat press and we're going to get ready to press them. Okay, so I'm just going to lay them face up like this with the sublimation picture on top. And we are going to press these at 355 for 60 seconds. Let me get my butcher paper. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press these, and then I'll bring y'all back in when it's down to like 5 seconds. Okay, you all, here it goes. 3, 2, and 1. Be very careful because these are hot. They are real hot. I'm going to move the camera back because I have to bring them back to the table. Whew. There goes 1. There goes 2. Okay. So now, let's see. Yes, these are hot, 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 hot. All right. Oh, that came out really cute. Look, you guys. Happy 6th birthday. That is real cute. Then, of course, we got the $100 sign up here. All right, let's look at the graduation one. Whew. And there you go. Are they not cute? So you don't need them just for graduation. You can use them for birthday, holidays, anything. And then they come with, let me get a paper towel because it left some moisture on my table. So then they come with the double-sided tape. Okay, these are double-sided. So you just take the cover, the money cover, lip balm cover, and of course place it how you want. You get your money, and then I would suggest you make sure that your money rolls up to the amount. I mean that your money show, when you roll it, show the amount rather. Sorry, like that. And then with the double-sided tape, which I'm not gonna stick it on here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take pictures of both of these using the same $100 bill. But as you can see, that's what it would look like. Oh my gosh, they came out really cute. And the same thing for the graduation. That's what it would look like. Oh man, I like the way they came out, you all. I did. So if you guys like this video, it was really simple. It wasn't that hard. It was not that hard at all. So if you guys like this video, which I really enjoyed making these, and I can't wait to post them. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. You all, we are very grateful, very thankful, and we will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.